Alright, grade 10, this is 15F.2, number 3D. It says, for each of the following figures, find the angle between the given line segments and the base plane. So, a few of you guys were asking me about this. And yes, you need to keep your rounding up to the very, very end so that there's no rounding problems. Like, that's the worst kind of mistake that you can make, rounding mistake. Like, you understand how to do it. It's just you round it too soon, and so that your answer is slightly off, right? So make sure that you do that at the very, very end. Keep everything whole. Like, if it's a radical, do not simplify it yet. Just keep it whole until the very end, then you calculate. Okay, so this one here is saying actually, like, if you have segment XD, they're telling us what is the angle that the segment XD makes when it is it meets the plane ABCD. Okay, so they're pretty much asking what is that angle. So we see a triangle here, and they gave us that it is a right triangle because x to m, so m is right in the middle, where x is the x to m goes straight up, right? From m to x, it goes straight up, straight, so that means it's a right angle, and we can just plot that out. And for you to draw a right triangle, by the way, you need to draw the height and the base. There you go. So that is x, d, and then m, and then this is a right angle. And we know that the slant edge is 15 centimeters. And we want to find angle XDM, that's angle theta. And we just need to find either XM or DM. So the easiest one here to find is actually DM, because we know all the measurements of the base. So sorry for my sketch here, but this is our base here. So let's say A, B, C, D, this is 12 centimeters, and this is 10, right? And we need DM. But let's do DB, because this is a right triangle, Pythagorean theorem. So DB is actually square root of 10 squared plus 12 squared, that's 244. So DM is half of that, so that's square root of 244 divided by 2. And here it goes. Now we need to find theta. So this is adjacent and this is hypotenuse. So cosine theta equals to square root of 244 over 2 divided by 15. So we're used to this format here, right? So I'm just going to put that. Okay, so find the theta of that, which means to find the cosine inverse. Put this into this parentheses here, and put it in your calculator. So what I suggest is doing the inside first. So let's do square root of 244 divided by 2. Actually, we're gonna do everything here divided by 15. Okay, and then we're gonna do cosine inverse, and here's a shortcut. So second button and then the minus button, that's your answer. So theta is 58.6, or approximately 58.6. 3 significant digits, and that's it. Degrees. All right, see you guys.